Welcome to County Portal, your simple source for local government services and public records. Let's get started.
Does California have a sales tax exemption certificate? The simple answer is yes, but it's not a single, universal card you can flash everywhere like in some other states. In California, the concept of a sales tax exemption certificate primarily refers to one specific document, the California Resale Certificate. Let's break down what this is, who can use it, and what other exemptions might apply. The most common reason to use an exemption certificate is if you are a business buying items that you plan to resell. For instance, if you own a clothing boutique, you don't pay sales tax when you buy shirts from a wholesale supplier. You use a California Resale Certificate, Form CDTFA 230, to make those purchases tax-free. You provide this completed certificate to your supplier, and they keep it on file. This proves to the state why they didn't charge you sales tax. Then, when you sell that shirt to a final customer in your store, you are responsible for collecting the sales tax from them and sending it to the state. To use a resale certificate, you must have a valid California seller's permit. The certificate itself requires your seller's permit number, a description of the property you're buying for resale, and your signature. It's crucial to only use this for items you are genuinely reselling in your normal business operations. Using it to buy office supplies or personal items is illegal and can lead to hefty penalties. So, what about other situations? This is where California differs from other states. There isn't a general exemption certificate for nonprofits. While some specific sales by certain nonprofits might be exempt, a nonprofit organization generally still has to pay sales tax on items it buys for its own use, like computers or cleaning supplies. There are also other, more specific exemptions. For example, California has a partial sales tax exemption for certain manufacturing and research and development equipment. This has its own set of rules and specific forms and isn't covered by the standard resale certificate. Similarly, sales of goods shipped directly by the seller to a location outside of California are typically not subject to California sales tax. In summary, when people ask about a California sales tax exemption certificate, they are almost always talking about the California Resale Certificate, which is used by businesses to buy inventory tax-free. It's not a blanket exemption. You must have a seller's permit and only use it for items you will resell. Always check the specific rules for your industry, as other narrow exemptions might apply but require different procedures. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this information helpful, please give this video a thumbs up. And for more straightforward guides on business and taxes, make sure to subscribe to the channel.